Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get internet speed, lock, power and volume button on any Android smartphone notification toggle. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Quick Settings. Just search these applications and you can see here Quick Settings by Simone Sestito. Just tap on it. So as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. So after installing, what you need to do is just click on or tap on Open. As you can see, it's user interface just like this. So here you can see utilities, shortcuts, multimedia, system. So here it's written no root, so you don't need to root to use this system. And here are some system options for only for root users. Here you can see system, tools for developers, and Sol. In the Sol you will get all the quick settings buttons. So I will show you one by one. So when you go to the utilities, you can get this much of options like battery, night screen filter, caffeine dice. So here you will get the internet speed. So just enable here, as I've already enabled it. It's already turned blue. So let me show you again. Just tap on enable. So just enable this internet speed. Now once again we'll see in the shortcuts. So in the shortcuts, what options you will get, like lock screens, lots of options. If you need the lock screen, just enable it once again just by tapping it, as I've already enabled this too also, so I'm not going to do it again. You can just enable. You can see here power dialog. So enabling this power dialog, you can just turn on the power options, that is restart to shut down. So let's move to the multimedia sections. Here you will get a lots of options, even the volume options. You can select all the options if you want, but for me I just want this option, so I've just turned on this volume. You can see the rest like system, no root. You can turn on various options like brightness, auto brightness, and lots of options here. Once again, the system secure, I'm just showing you for a quick overview. So here you can get various shortcut options, and here in the show all, what you used to get, you can get all the buttons available under this applications. So once you have enabled those, what you need to do is just move back to the home screen. Just slide down the notification toggle and you can see here a pencil like button. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down. We'll choose for firstly for the internet speed. So you can see here, just tap and drag on the above. So we'll just drag, and once again we'll put the lock. So we'll just put the lock screen. And we'll search for power button. As you can see, power dialog. And we'll just select the volume, just drag it, do the same thing. See here. So once you are done, just hit back. As you can see now, when you tap on this volume, you can see here volume. Now when you click on this power menu, you can see your power options. When you click on the internet speed, then you can see the internet speed. So let me browse something. You can see the internet speed here. So in this way you can easily get the internet speed, lock, power and volume buttons very easily on any Android smartphone notification toggles. So if you never known about this cool applications, then you should definitely check it out today, because it will help you to add the various tiles that is related which you want to have in your notification toggles. Of course, most of the Android phones, they don't offer like the tiles of internet speed, a lock screens, or the power or the volume buttons. So this is quite some very useful and needy tile buttons, so you should definitely use these applications if you want to have a useful shortcuts like this internet, lock, power and volume buttons in your notification toggles. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.